Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to change the language to English in the Hopper app on your phone. This is helpful if your app is currently in a different language, or if you prefer using English for easier navigation and understanding. First, open the Hopper app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the profile icon at the top left. Then, scroll down through the menu until you find the language option. Click on Language to open the selection menu. You will notice two options available. The first option is System Default, which uses the language currently set on your phone. The second option is English. To change the app language, simply select English. The app interface will now switch to English immediately. Finally, return to the main screen and navigate through the app to confirm that all menus and options are displayed in English. You can now enjoy using Hopper with the English interface for easier access to all features.